These people who are coming now are refugees not from people hungry without bread and water. People who yesterday were proud of their homes, were proud of their position in society, were very often very well educated, very well off, and so on. But they are refugees now, and they come here. And whom they meet here? The precariat. Precariat lives by anxiety, by fear. We have nightmares. I have a very nice social position. I would like to stick to it. I would like to continue. Precariat comes from the French word précarité, and précarité in loose translation means walking or moving shuttles. And now come those people from Syria and Libya. They bring these threats from faraway countries here at our backyard. They suddenly appear next to us. We can't omit their presence. And they signalize, they embody all our fears. Yesterday they were very powerful men in their country, very happy men. Like we are here today. But look what's happened today. They are homeless, they have without the means of existence. I think that the shock is only beginning. There is no shortcut solution, instant solution. So we have to brace ourselves to a very difficult time coming. This last year wave of immigration was not the last one. There are more and more people waiting for do just that. So you have to accept this is the situation. Let us come together and find a solution.